So here it is, people. It's the outcome. Look at that shit. Look at that. Serious. I don't know if you can see it. Right there. That pinhole. That whole line seems like it's corroded. I don't know. But that's the problem. So Daddy gotta fix the problem. You heard, man? But look, man, I don't know if you can see it, but man, this shit goes way back here, man. Let me focus. Focus. That hole go way back there. That water actually found its way to go all the way towards the back, a portion of the house. And this right here, where you see this line coming out at, 2 lines, that right there is going into the garage. Yeah, into the garage. And you see my drainage pipe, my sewer line right here. That's my sewer line. And this is right here is the sewer line that's going to the street. So I did it. I found it. And now it's all about putting in that work and squeezing my ass up back there to get that work. Pause. Until next time, people. Be a man. See a problem, come up with a solution. 1.